Welcome to a moment of pause with the beautiful and deep healing sounds of the crystal singing bowls. So with sound meditation, you probably want to lie down and really allow yourself to fully immerse. You can be seated, but definitely don't listen to this while you're driving or doing any other tasks. So you want to really create that spaciousness for yourself. So let's just take a couple breaths together. Inhaling through the nose. Open your mouth and leave out some vocal sounds to drop in. Really good. Let's do 2 more like that. Deep inhale. And release. Finding that really comfortable resting pose, whatever that may look like for you. Maybe propping up your knees with a bolster or some cushions. If where you are is a little bit fresh, you may want to cover yourself with a blanket. Close your eyes if you haven't already. And start to tune in to the sounds of the crystal bowls and my voice guiding you. Healing happens in earth time, not mind time. So we're going to drop into that connection with the Earth Mother. Virgo season is all about that intrinsic connection that we have with Mother Earth. Find yourself rooting into the ground underneath you. In its own time, healing happens. There is nothing that you need to do here other than to just receive and bathe in the sound wave frequencies. Repeat silently after me. I heal at the pace that is for the highest good. I heal at the pace that serves my highest good. May my growth serve not just myself, stay here for as long as it feels good. And then start to integrate some tiny little movements when the body feels ready.